Hi, I'm Stacey with WTI. If you have CarPlay and an iPhone, you know that at times there may be some glitching with the connectivity. Thanks to this little receiver from Luckymore, all of that problem has been solved. This is an awesome receiver that you simply plug into the USB port in your car, and then every time you get into your car, it automatically triggers CarPlay to come on, connecting by Bluetooth to your phone. I really love how awesome that this has been in solving the problem when I've had connectivity issues. While I've been driving, often CarPlay will just shut right off, but with this receiver, it no longer does that. The receiver works really well because even from 100 feet away from your car, the phone will automatically register with the receiver. And I find that there's absolutely no glitching when it comes to it. Once you have it plugged in, you no longer have to worry about plugging your actual phone in. Rather, you can place your phone in an easy spot so that you can just connect and listen to anything that you choose via your screen. So everything is really so automated and the receiver works so well. I was really excited to find this, and it definitely has not let me down. It stays connected and it really has enabled me to do so much more hands-free, making it a safer driving experience while listening to my favorite things on the radio. But that's just my point of view.